In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira Cloud and Microsoft Teams. This integration is a fantastic way to keep all your collaboration efforts streamlined and efficient. So let's dive right in and explore how you can set up and utilize this integration to enhance your team's productivity. First, we need to begin by accessing your Jira Cloud account. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Jira website. You'll find that having your credentials handy here will speed things up, as you'll need to log in with your username and password. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll land on your Jira dashboard, a familiar place for those who use this tool regularly. Next up, we'll head over to the Apps section. You might already know that Jira's Apps section is where you can expand Jira's functionalities by adding additional features and integrations. So go ahead and find the Apps option located in the main menu. Clicking on this will show you a host of options, but what you're looking for is the option to explore more apps. Once you click on Explore More Apps, you'll be taken to the Atlassian Marketplace. This is where the magic happens. In the search bar of the Marketplace, type in Microsoft Teams. Atlassian Marketplace will then filter out and show you all the available apps and integrations related to Microsoft Teams. Now, among the search results, you'll want to locate the official Jira integration for Microsoft Teams. Clicking on it will take you to detailed information about the app, including reviews, features, and how it enhances the Jira experience within Microsoft Teams. To proceed with using it, you'll find a Try It Free button. This is usually positioned prominently on the app's page to encourage easy access. Click on this button. If you're an existing user, you will also see an installation status indicating that it's ready to use for free. At this point, the app will guide you through the installation and initial setup process. As you navigate through this setup, make sure to follow any on-screen instructions closely to ensure a smooth integration. After the installation, the app will be available inside your Microsoft Teams environment, and there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully integrated Jira Cloud with Microsoft Teams and can now leverage the full power of this combination to oversee tasks, projects, and team communications in a unified workspace. This integration will simplify updates, notifications, and team collaboration directly from your Teams application, putting all critical tools at your fingertips for maximum efficiency. I hope this guide was helpful for you and you're ready to incorporate this powerful integration into your daily workflow.